Well, I've never really had good, sound, solid investment advice in regards to my future. I've kind of tried to do things on my own, thinking I could do it. Again, after making a lot of mistakes, now, thanks to Bill, I'm on a good path. I can see the future. I can see that my retirement now is not a worry or a concern as it has been. I like to manage my money. I like to understand what's going on with it, and with Bill, it's just he provides that information. He provides what's needed to do well. I came across the Dividend machine. I was reading about it. Yeah, I don't like to jump into anything initially without some knowledge. So I took the time to do some further research, and everything there was solid. Everything he had to say, he could back up everything. The proof was there. So I was very happy with it, and I'm very happy I made those decisions, and it's making a huge impact on myself and my family. When I first discovered it, it was a much more comfortable feeling in regards to a way of investing, just because, again, after having made so many mistakes, it's solid advice. It's something I recommend to my friends. I've told numerous people about the Dividend machine. I have friends that have joined because of it. It's a comfort, it's a peace. I haven't found anything better out there. This is a long-term investment. I'm secure in feeling that I can really provide for my family because of this. I can provide for my wife, my child. I have a 13-year-old daughter who I was able to get an account for her last year. Just a little over a year's time, I'm already up 30% in her account alone. I really feel like it's great wisdom I can pass on to her, good investment advice. So it's done a lot for not just me, but of course my family as well. In regards to my past performances with other investments, I was averaging, I would say, usually between 2 and 4% on a good year. And then there was other years that there was essentially break-evens. In comparison to what I've done with Bill and the Dividend machine, I've been averaging anywhere from 20 to 30% on stocks a year. I would say my biggest gainer as of today's date is AbbVie. I'm up 75% on that stock. It's great going into my account and seeing when dividends get paid. It's like checks in the mail, only they're just going back in. I'm buying more stock and reinvesting. There's just a comfort in that. And the price, the Dividend machine, 26 cents a day. It's like, come on, once again, how can you find solid advice like this for pennies? It's an incredible value. Without the Dividend machine, I feel like I'd have a big question mark still in my investing plans. I don't know where I'd be. I've made a lot of mistakes. I've tried to learn from them. But without the Dividend machine, I wouldn't have this level of peace and comfort knowing where my future is going. And thanks to the Dividend machine, I'm actually excited about investing. I'm excited about his newsletters coming out. I look forward to them monthly, weekly, the new podcast he's done. It's all good, solid, sound advice. I'm excited about what the future's bringing, what it's done for me already, and what it's going to do for me and my family. Well, now that I've found the Dividend machine, I must say that I look forward every month to his monthly newsletter. I look forward every week to his weekly updates. It's always great information. It hasn't let me down in the years that I've been with him. I have a very winning track record with him. There's a real comfort in knowing he's explained to me why when stocks go down, how there's no need to worry about it. Most people, most people, including myself in the past, when your stocks are down, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm losing money. You don't need to worry about it. You don't need to look at it that way. I like to think of this as a snowball, and a snowball can start off small and rolling down a hill. What happens to the snowball? Well, that's what happens here with your dividends. As they reinvest, your money grows. You have to put your money somewhere, you know, if you're going to save it, and this is just a solid place to invest. Whether you have a small amount or a large amount, your percentage gains are the same. What do I like most about the dividend machine? Making money. Yeah, it's been good. I've been making money. Oh, I don't think you can ever be too old. There's always a time to start, and as far as I'm concerned, that's today. I know I have a future here. Look at the successful investors on Wall Street. I mean, this is a solid way of creating an income that will last, and you can it can be something to pass on to your families. I don't think there's ever an age where it's too old to invest. Yeah, and what else I've learned from Bill is like when the market is down, I mean, that's really just more of a buying opportunity. I'm not concerned about these companies going out of business. They're big, solid companies. As a matter of fact, when the market is down and it's time for purchasing dividends, it's just that much more purchasing power that I have. It's a whole new mindset of understanding how the market works. What I want people to know about the dividend machine is, again, this can change your life. This can make you sleep at night, comfort in knowing that your money is secure and knowing it has a great outlook, knowing the future is bright. There's peace of mind in that is very difficult to find in the investment world. The one thing I would like to tell Bill about the dividend machine is it's given me financial freedom that I have never had before. So this is just a big thank you to you. Thank you, Bill. My name's Gary McCartney, and I'm a Dividend Machine subscriber.